And this vacuum creates and yearns for justice every day, every day. It is something that you cannot avoid. That a people, since the inception of the democracy, since the inception of the country, the man that came and fought for the independence of this country is from the southeast, Zik, and he did it with other Nigerians. But he led. He was one of the people that first went to prison. At the end of it, a time has come that it should be a national consensus that power should go to the southeast. Some people now started being, truthful by half, by now saying it has to be south. Whereas you know that the other two sections of the south have taken, remaining only one section. So I want to charge Governor Ortom, Governor Ikpeazu, Governor Wike, as they have come back, to reach out to all their fellow governors that this country is in a state of war, that this election they can't go to this election, and at the end of the day, even if a victor emerges without a national consensus, that we will still be facing the problems that has confronted us, that we have to, resolve. So, in order to resolve the problem in such a way that a government will come in, and that government, everybody will accept it, is to look at candidates possibly from Southeast and build a consensus around it. So that everybody, even if you are anywhere in Nigeria, and you hear that this power, because we want to have peace in the country, we want equity, we want this justice, that there's a national consensus that Southeast should have this. And from amongst them, we have taken one of their best, or one of the good ones from them. Everybody, even if it is the bandits in the forest of Katsina, or in the forest of anywhere, they should say yes, it was a right decision taken.